Hi guys, thank you. I'm Aduke, and on this channel I celebrate Nigerian people, Nigerian history, and yeah, just have fun. On today's video I will be tasting some Nigerian snacks, and I've been feeling conflicted with things going on around the world, but especially in Nigeria with and almost like watching a play of events, history repeats itself somehow, you know, with frustration with the government and just inequality and things that should really not be happening to humans in general, you know. So I've been homesick, most especially missing a lot of like the snacks, and I just went online, went on the Googles and I found out that I can actually find some of the things that I've been craving and that I've loved for so many years and reminding me of home. So I wanted to celebrate Nigerian snacks, some Nigerian snacks, and yeah, all of this I don't know why I'm like about to start getting emotional, but guys, it's just been and praying and hoping for a better Nigeria and a better tomorrow and not just for a better tomorrow but a better now, you know, because we really can look back at the history and take notes from it on on what works, what didn't work, and the people who really came before us and who can and how we can just take notes from their lives. But seems like I'm preaching and I don't want to do that. I don't want to sound condescending at all. So here's a fun video of me reliving my childhood snacks, my favorite snacks, and couldn't get everything, but yeah. So now I'm going to show you how I made the Zobo. Please make sure you do drain it properly, because you're not meant to see the leaves at all. I'm going to put a proper link of a professional actually making it. So I've drained it and put it here. You can put it in a glass, in a jar or whatever, and then I am going to put it in the freezer. I meant to put it over, you can put it overnight or whatever, but we'll see. This will be my first time actually tasting it in years. Should I taste this? No, I'm going to do the KILISHI first. So here is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm getting emotional, guys. Okay, bro. Make me so happy. Make me so happy. The smell.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me.
I didn't put sugar or anything. It's just like the pure, you know, the Zobo that I made. Oh my goodness. We didn't even have this like on a normal day or whatever. No. It was like for birthday parties and the rich kids. And also like special events. It wasn't even Christmas. No, we didn't even have a Christmas. It was like when I think of Zobo, I'm thinking luxurious. That's why I'm even in a wine glass, you know. Bougie.
Okay.
Then I've got cabin biscuits If you know, you know. And I remember I had this biscuit, and because I love my birthdays, right? And I thought I wasn't going to celebrate it, and then cabin biscuit was brought to school, and there I was flexing. The pack has actually changed. This isn't what I remember, but I googled. I did a quick Google, so I'm about to taste it for the first time. Not to be dramatic, but dramatic. In how many years? How old am I? Is it 20 years? No, it's not. Like tops 8, at least 18 years. At least 18 years.
Chai! Continue.
So here is how it comes up. Yeah, I hope there haven't been changes to the recipe though.
5 minutes later.
There's a taste. What is it? Is it aftertaste? Yeah. I remember there's an aftertaste. Look at me answering myself, talking to myself. That's what cabin biscuit does to you. But Lord, this is good. Another taste of home is MILO. Come on, fun fact, right? It wasn't funny to me then. But remember, I traveled to Australia and I was craving Nigerian snacks and Nigerian food. So I saw MILO in the store, and I was like, I told my friend, I was like, wow, you guys have MILO here. She was like, wait, you mean Milo? It's Australian. I said, what? I almost pounced that her. I say, it's a lie. MILO. Like, she said it's Milo, and apparently it's Milo. Apparently it's Australian, but yeah, I was like mind blown. Let me even see, is this even made in Nigeria? I don't know. Yeah, prepared in Nigeria by Nest. Okay, but it's prepared in Nigeria. So, but obviously, I know. I'm created in Australia, origin from Nigeria. I'm from Australia, so that was fun. But it still really reminds me of my childhood anyway. And that's another bougie drink, I tell you. MILO? And pick milk. You think you've had Fanta, but you haven't had the Nigerian one. Why the delusion?
You don't know why it's going on.
To think you ever had Fanta. Ever. Don't know about it. You don't know about it. You don't know about it.
Eventually.
We've got Our Lady AGBALUMO. AGBALUMO. Look at me just putting the knife in my eye, you know. Lord have mercy. Yeah. So I'm going to cut it. And then, oh, bruh. Look at that. But my favorite part, I don't know if I'm meant to eat the seed, but I do eat that. AGBALUMO. My goodness. Like, I started this video feeling, and now I'm like, what? And then, last but not least, the OG, MOG, FOG, OG. That makes no sense. My G. I think this bread needs an episode of its own. But there's actually an amazing video, story of AGEGE bread, and just kind of like basically the beauty of AGEGE bread. I'm going to link it down below. Please check it out. This bread right here. This bread. It's intense love with this bread, you know, and one of the best AGEGE breads in the entire world, fight me, okay, is heritage bread. I haven't actually had that particular bread in ages. They make it in Ireland. I tried to get it online in public. Whenever you go to the Republic of Ireland in Dublin, please go get that bread, that AGEGE bread from that company. My goodness. You will sing songs that you've never sung before. Do you understand? You know what? Rip it, because we know it's finishing right now anyway. So rip it, like. We'll be back to normal schedule next week with me literally telling the story of amazing Nigerian people, because that is still needed. There's still so many stories to tell, so many people to celebrate, and I am delighted to have the privilege of celebrating them. So will you join me next week? Don't forget to subscribe, put your notification bell on. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Yes, so that's all.